Hey, it's Christina, aka Miss Lomac, and I just wanted to come on and make a quick video, really quick, about the secret to getting a big full puff. And the secret to a big puff is this versus this. Alright? The secret to a big alright? The secret to a big alright? The secret to a big puff. Both of these rubber bands came from the Dollar Tree. So you get like 6 on here, and this comes with like 15, I believe. But these are the secret. So, if you haven't already, please go ahead, leave me a comment, subscribe, tell me something or a tip or a trick that you learned about when you were just starting your natural hair journey. Just like I said in my previous video, welcome to my channel video and my New Year New Goals video. I am trying to learn my hair. What I would consider a new natural. I'm new to this, trying to figure it out, because mostly I just wore wigs in the very beginning. So this is what, 3 years of me being natural, or maybe 3 years. I guess 3 years of me being natural. So I'm just getting to the point to where I'm comfortable wearing my hair out, and I'm trying to learn it, figure it out, what works, what doesn't work. So what are some of the other tips that you guys have learned, or you're curious about how you see most people do? So I'm still trying to figure out how to moisturize my hair. Like I said, once I figured out the trick to the hair tie or the rubber band or whatever you want to call it for my puffs, like that's all I wear is puffs. So I want to try to discover new natural hairstyles and experiment a little bit more to do some different things. So if you have any ideas or any things that I should try, leave it down below in the comments.